Hello again, advanced students. Today we are going to do some more linear equation word problems. We did this back in last week, 4.4b and 4.5b. We're going to talk about two different types of word problems. The first one is going to be dealing with slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Remember the stuff up here. This is the part that I want you to make sure that you have in your notes. To find the constant rate of change in the problem, how much it's going up week to week, month to month, year to year, whatever it is, that's our mover. That's our M. That is our slope. Then there is the B. That is the initial amount to charge, whatever you want to call it, at the beginning of the event. The beginner, the B. We'll call that, make sure you remember, the y-intercept. Okay, so let's do one example to refresh our memories. Juan needs to get his air conditioner fixed, his AC fixed. The company charged him $150 for the repair person to come to his house. Then it would be $75 per hour to fix his AC. Write a linear equation that models the total cost. So first thing we need to find is our slope, our M. This is the constant rate of change. So how much each month, each week, in this case, each hour, constant rate of change. So if we take a look at it, it would be $75 per hour to fix his AC. So that is our slope. Then we're going to talk about the B, the beginning. Where does it start? In this case, we have that they charged him $150 for the repair person to come to this house. So that's how much it was before anything even happened. So that's our 150. So y equals mx plus our b. And there is our equation. The second type of equation is standard form, ax plus by equals c. Remember we talked about this as being, this is one thing, and then this is a second thing, whatever it is. We could be talking fruit, flowers, different kinds of pizzas, whatever it is. And this is the total. So thing number one, thing number two, and then the total. So let's do an example. Carol sells her artwork at an art show. She sells paintings for $50 each. Hey, look, there's thing number one. And statues for $40 each. There's thing number two. One weekend, she made $290. There's our total. Write a linear equation that models the total number of paintings, which is going to be x, and the total number of statues, which is going to be y, that Carol sold. So here we go. $50 per painting plus $40 per statue equals a total of $290. There is our standard form linear equation. Your practice today is numbers 1 through 12, which are right after this video. If you have questions, please make sure you message me and we'll find time to meet. Have a great day.